Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're all well. So I'm really excited. First camp of the new year, and I'm down my mate Paul, aka the Wandering Monks Woods, and we've got a weekend camp, and I'm really looking forward to it. So we're all set up. I'm in the Wild Country Helm Compact 1 today. Sleep system's in. I think it's time to have a brew.
Spuds.
There you go.
Little
We get there.
slice of
I
those.
know. I picked the two big ones that I could find in Tesco's. And I thought that'd do us, wouldn't it? A bit of spud.
Perfect, mate. Yeah,
Get them wrapped
yeah.
up.
Excellent. Kitchen area over here. Yeah. But we don't mess about over here.
Oh, mate.
No.
Live like kings.
Proper milk.
Proper milk.
Big
Well,
spuds.
when I ain't got to put it in a backpack, it doesn't matter, does
No.
it? I've made a right ash of that.
It'll work, mate.
Yeah,
Yeah, look at that, see?
Let's chuck that in there.
In she goes.
There goes. And spud number 2.
Get that spud in there.
Get that spud in there, look. In you go.
Brilliant. Nice, fire's going, got our spuds on, we've got burgers for tea, wonderful.
Looking good. Looking good, mate.
Yep.
So, new contraption.
New contraption. Okay. And we have a bit of coffee. It's going to go in here, like so. I'm assuming this is right.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Fill with coffee.
Fill with coffee.
So it's got water in it.
That's got water in it already.
What you smell? They're cooked.
I can smell, yeah. They smell wonderful. smell good.
Oh yeah, they're done, mate. Look at that.
Oh, decent. Look at it.
You
know the little garlic butters that you get?
Yeah.
The little square cubes?
Mm-hmm.
Find any.
Well, good shout, mate. It's decent. Pulling away.
I'm on the back end of getting rid of. Oh, sorry, you.
No, that's all right.
Get rid of.
Paul's getting rid of cold. Mate, this coffee will help though. It's lovely. That's decent. Nice.
Get your nice blurry one there. There you go. Your nice blurry one. In the
Nice.
background.
Like it. Wow. Blinded.
Blinded by the
Right.
light.
Cheers, matey.
Cheers, mate.
Splendid.
Happy days. So nice. My boots are starting to smoke as well there, actually. I think that's because they are too close to the fire though.
They're melting. All the glue's coming away.
Like that.
Have a great evening. It's always nice to spend time with Paul. So laid back, so relaxed down here as well. I'm glad I managed to get this in quite early in the year.
Morning.
There she goes. Get the coffee going.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Pork and chilli.
Pork and chilli.
Beautiful.
Them bad boys.
I think it's a case of, what is it, Paul? Breakfast for 6 for 2?
Breakfast for 6 for 2. Yep, that'll do.
Splendid.
Live like kings as normal, mate.
Absolutely, mate. Guaranteed a good meal down here.
Guaranteed.
Yeah.
We do like a good bit of grub, don't we,
We
mate?
do, mate. We do. Breakfast for 6 for 2.
That'll work. Love the Insta.
Yeah.
That smells absolutely handsome. Are we boiling?
We are boiling away. Yep. There you go, buddy.
Excellent.
Excellent. Oh. There you go, mate.
Look at that. Happy days.
There we
We're
go.
boiled egg.
No, we're all right, yeah.
Ketchup.
Happy days.
Good.
Mm. Right, well, this is the sad part of the day where we need to leave camp. Paul, it's been amazing again, mate. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming down, man.
Been a giggle, isn't it?
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Yeah.
We've enjoyed ourselves. We've had a good laugh. We've had some chats.
Yeah.
Done a podcast.
Done a podcast as well.
Go check out that podcast.
Yeah, Paul, can you just tell everyone
I'll send
the name
you a
of
link,
it?
and you can put a link in
I'll
the
put
description.
it in the description.
It is called Into the Woods, and you are episode 2.
Perfect, thank you very much.
mate.
And first winter camp for myself as well.
First winter
So,
camp,
yeah,
yeah, and it's been good.
Yeah.
We had a little bit of rain, but
Tiny little bit.
Tiny little bit, but look at it now, it's
Yeah,
gorgeous. It's nice and
fantastic.
crisp. It's
Oh,
cold,
it's
that's why I
lovely.
got my woolly hat on, because I'm cold.
Yeah, and we've eaten for 6 for 2.
Eaten for 6, yeah.
It's perfect.
Yeah, we had nice breakfast.
Nice breakfast, mate.
Chilled out, good
Yeah.
fun.
Lovely Sunday
relaxed.
morning.
Lovely Sunday morning. What could
Yeah.
you ask for?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Cool.
You're
Well,
welcome.
Perfect. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Take care, and I'll see you next time on Higgsybear Outdoors.
See you
Bye for
later,
now.
guys.